Chinese internet giant Tencent on Saturday hosted the 2023 Tencent Science We Summit in Beijing. Themed Seed, this year's summit highlights the long-term attention to basic scientific research and public science popularization.
今年我们从全球邀请了7位科学家，其中有3位是来自中国的顶尖科学家，他们会去谈包括超导、液体机器人、石墨烯技术和抗衰老相关的这个最新的科研突破。那么今年的微大会上呢，我们也会发布腾讯和中国农业科学院共同共建的数字种子库的一个构想。
The project intends to utilize 3D modeling and other technologies to digitally scan the National Agricultural Germplasm Bank of CAAS, which preserves more than 540,000 units of germplasm resources, to present them in 3D dynamics format. Scientists attending this year's event have spoken highly of the summit's promotion of science and technology.
Tencent has enormous outreach, and to use that great penetration into the market to actually bring science to people, scientific research, especially to the younger people, I think it's an absolutely wonderful use of their soft power, and I really admire them for it. I think it's excellent.
We Summit it's a nice effort to communicate science to the wider public. And as a scientist, I think it's always welcome when we find people outside science who are willing to work with the scientists to communicate what we do to society, and especially to young emerging scholars, high school, middle school, college, and to do so on a platform that can reach around the world. So I think it's a very good idea.
The We Summit has been held annually since 2013. The event draws scientists and innovators from various countries to anticipate future challenges and seek solutions to advance human development.